So this mode just kind of goes through a whole bunch of colors. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
I sound Bluetooth.
Alright guys, so we have the Bluetooth connected. Here we go. Copyright free music by Neffix.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
Definitely loud, so that's good. Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out the iSound. This is going to be something that a lot of people like to use at nighttime. I personally think it's cool to have these on, you know, on dark, dreary days or at nighttime. But it's a multifunctional nightlight speaker, so you can actually have different sounds with this. You can change the color, and you can do all sorts of things with it. So let's show you guys what's inside the box. So guys, they give you a remote. The remote does come with two AAA batteries. So this is what the remote looks like. They give you AUX to AUX cable, also Type-C charging cable for the actual sound device here. So this is how the front looks. On the back, you have your on and off AUX, your charging port, and a TF slot for SD card. So you can connect it to Bluetooth. You can use it with the power bank, you know, for charging, however you guys want to use it. But it does stay off the ground. It has these cool little stands, and as you can see, it's got this cool lighting effect inside there. So we'll show you guys at nighttime. But yeah, you got all these different modes, different colors here. To turn off a color, you just press the color twice, and then it will go off. Sometimes it seems to be a little tough for it to pick up a signal here. Like for that blue, there we go.
Finally prove it. Never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. When you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And
Device is ready.
So as you guys can see here, you can change the brightness. So there's one. Oh no, okay, that just turns it on and off. Of course, you got your different mode.
iSound Bluetooth device is ready.
The different color. So press it and you kind of press and wait. So the color's actually a lot nicer in person. So it's pretty cool. Couple different modes here. This one looks like it kind of transitions slowly. Just transitions into different colors here. So I've gone through radio mode and gone through every station, and I haven't picked up a single station. So that is kind of a letdown. So if you do plan on using it for a radio, at least where my location is, it hasn't picked up a single at all. I've been playing with it for at least 20 minutes now, so keep that in mind.
iSound Bluetooth device is ready.
We're going to test out the Bluetooth and see how that works. Alright guys, my final thoughts on this. No matter what I did with the radio, I couldn't get a signal. Maybe that's just, I don't know, my area. I'm not sure. There shouldn't be an issue with that because it's not like we're in the middle of the woods. So with that being said, I can't judge on the radio at all because it would not pick up any single station. I can judge on the color. The color is nice. I can judge on the speaker sound from Bluetooth. Bluetooth worked great, paired great. The sound is good. It's definitely can go loud, so you can have it quiet or really loud. Definitely loud enough that people can hear it from probably 1 or 2 rooms away if you had everything maxed out. Overall, it's nice. And it just gets a Scott pass.